At Downer, we pride ourselves on providing a safe environment for all employees.
Embracing every aspect of diversity and inclusion. After all, our people are at the heart of our business.
We don't want cookie-cutter employees. What's the point? We just end up being the same.
Anyone who has ever achieved anything in this world has always followed their own instinct.
By being different,
Seeing different.
thinking different.
Ultimately, by being themselves.
It all comes down to owning your different. And by creating a sense of belonging in the workplace, we as individuals are encouraged to bring our different to the table.
I'm proud of and I love my culture.
I love the freedom of getting out on my motorbike.
I'm a proud Aboriginal man.
I'm a problem solver.
I am an ocean-obsessed freediver.
I'm different because I'm into Muay Thai kickboxing.
I really like to help people.
I'm a fisherman extraordinaire.
I raise pet alpacas.
I can speak 4 languages.
Unlike most people, I love numbers.
I'm a very fast runner and I was born to run.
We continue to make a difference to the personal and professional lives of our people. And without them, where would we be?
Geniuses wouldn't invent, championships wouldn't be won, challenges wouldn't be overcome, and landmarks wouldn't be built.
For over 150 years, Downer has developed, built, maintained and operated some of our iconic infrastructure,
which has contributed to the way we live, work and play. But this environment hasn't been built from steel, stone and sweat alone.
It has been built by drawing together a melting pot of different people with one shared goal.
To solve problems and create a culture of inclusion to forge lasting relationships within Downer and our communities.
We're a team who all bring their own different. Be different and own it.